Yeah, so let's start now. So one problem is facing me till now. I don't know. I don't get the book, sir. Yeah, the book. Sorry. I uploaded before, but okay, fine. I will upload it again. Yeah, I will upload it again. The book, yes. Acha, today please remind me. I will upload for sure. Acha, now let's start this chapter. All of chapter 3. Yes, all of chapter 3. Yeah. On Sunday there is exam. You have so much of time. So don't worry, the paper will be easy. Okay. And 20 marks from chapter 3, 5 marks from chapter 2 and 5 marks from chapter 1. Okay, now let's start this chapter today. So mathematics. Huh? Total marks will be 30. Total marks will be 30. Okay. Yes, commerce student. For commerce student, you will be having exam for 20 marks, it's like that. So then, please complete chapter 3 in extra class. Chapter 3 in extra. So one thing, let's start. Let's start this chapter. So it says what? Mathematical induction. So first thing, humans are superior to other species due to their ability to reason. So this is the main criteria. We humans are superior to all the other species by the way we ability to reason, curiosity, asking questions, why is this, why is that. So this way we are quite superior to other animals. They don't have any questions, so we have all the questions. And then the ability depends on each person's power of reasoning. How we reason that thing, it depends. Suppose different person have different perspective to things, right? So how I see to one thing, it is totally different from what you see to it. So it depends upon the ability of each person, what way they perceive the thing, that's what it is. Now this chapter is totally out of your head. Now look at here. In mathematical language, there are two kinds of reasoning. One is inductive reasoning and the other one is deductive reasoning. Okay, this inductive reasoning, mathematical induction, we will be studying now, and this deductive reasoning, mathematical reasoning, we will be studying in chapter in class 12. Okay, so here let's start. So first thing, let's go with the introduction. So first it says, let us discuss about deductive reasoning a bit, then I will go to the mathematical induction. One key basis of mathematical thinking is deductive reasoning. So how we do deductive reasoning? Listen very carefully. 4 is divisible by 2. Everybody knows, but I am saying it. Just read that, you don't know this thing. 4 is divisible by 2. Achha, video is blurred. Now is it clear? Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So 4 is divisible by 2. Think that you don't know that 4 is divisible by 2. Now read the second line. Any number divisible by 2 is an even number. We know. Yes or no? Yes or no? Any number divisible by 2 is an even number.
Yes,
this one I know.
Sir.
Yeah. What is going on? Wait a second. Wait a second. Let me connect into my mobile data. Now is it clear? Guys, is it clear now? Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 4 is divisible by 2. So any number divisible by 2 is an even number. This thing I know. So can I say, by looking at these two statements, can I say 4 is an even number? Yes or no? Why?
Yes.
Because 4 is divisible by 2. So by looking at these two statements, I derive this fact. I derive the third fact. So what it says? If the first two statements are true, which are true, then the truth of the third statement is established. Understood? If the first two statements are true, then the truth of the third statement is established. That's what it says. So 4 is divisible by 2. It's true. Any number divisible by 2 is an even number. That is also true. Then we can say 4 is an even number is also true. Understood, everyone? So deduction is the application of a general case to a particular case. So what is that? It is from a general case, I take a particular case. What is the general case? The general case is what? Any number divisible by 2 is an even number. Yes or no? It is general, right? So any number means what? The number can be anything. It's a general case. Now from the general case, I derived a particular case. And what is that particular case? 4 is an even number. Everyone clear? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So from a general, Somebody saying something? So from the general case, I derived a particular case. Understood? I can replace this one like this. 16 is divisible by 2. Any number divisible by 2 is an even number. Then 16 is an even number. So my particular case becomes 16. Understood? Okay? So that's what deduction is. Now we move on to induction. What is induction? Look at here. Read this one.